Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to turn this into this. Alright, first things first, let's go ahead and wipe it down with some water and a rag. Alright. A little Scotch pad. Get all this gunk off. We wipe it down. This gets all the debris off so the paint looks all smooth after it's done. Right, and wipe it down one last time. Now I'll hit it with a little bit of Windex. And then I'm just using an old shirt just to wipe this down. And this makes sure that we get all the debris off so when we paint, it doesn't get in the way. Alright, time to hit with some sandpaper. This is 150. Alright, so just hit it with the 150. Got all the rust spots off. Now we're going to hit it with the 220, make it a little smoother, and then get it ready for paint. Alright, let's hit it one last time with Windex, only a little bit. One spray. Alright, time to paint. Let's hit it with a little bit of primer. Now that our primer is dry, let's go ahead and hit it with some white paint. Alright guys, in the last video I showed you guys how to diagnose a dryer, how to fix it, and in this video I showed you how to paint it, make it clean, and make it look brand new. Now all that's left to do is take some pictures and get this up for sale.